Every day, I search hundreds of California investment properties for one deal worth your attention. And today, it's this one.
So this property is located in Fresno. It's 4 beds, 2 full baths, which is really important. You definitely want 2 baths, and it's almost 1,600 square feet. If you have 4 bedrooms and it's like 1,200 square feet or less, that's a really, really tight living space for people. So you always want to make sure that it has enough room to justify the bed count. But you can see it's got vaulted ceilings, new flooring, simple front yard. Looks like the tile's in good condition. One way to tell if a home's been taken care of is you look at the floorboards here, if they're scuffed specifically around turning points like this, and you look at the grout. This home looks like it's been exceptionally taken care of. Typically, you can assume that if the home is in this good of condition, that they do take care of maintenance issues, not just DIY fixes themselves. So let's run an analysis on this property. We're going to scroll down. It's located in Fresno, which, if you haven't noticed, there are some great opportunities inland if you live, say, in the Bay Area or in one of the big metropolitan areas like LA. Right off the bat, this is getting a 66 investment score, which for that condition of a property, I think is exceptional. You're already positive cash flow, $75 a month. Now, it has just been on the market for a short period of time, but even then, my recommendation is always try and go in a little bit lower, right? Typically, if they just hit the market, they're not going to take off a significant chunk of change. But even if we could get this for 405, so $14,000 off, we could assume this goes up to a 72. Our cash flow, and I'm going to lower our maintenance reserve because it's really not going to need that, and probably our vacancy rate because it is a really nice livable property with vaulted ceilings. It goes from 70x dollars to 236 a month. So that's just in year one. This is an exceptional property. Year one, you're looking at pretty good numbers here of cash flow. Two is $4,300, then almost $6,000. So I think this is certainly something worth taking a look at. What we'll probably do is schedule a showing. This is a little far for me, but I think it's worth taking a look at.
That's today's deal. If you want to dig deeper, I've got the full breakdown over at Fievel.com. Follow along. I do this every single day.